Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Fundu. In this video we will discuss about the tolerances on the dimensions and shapes for sheet metal parts. You can say sheet metal or a raw sheet metal that we are going to use for manufacturing sheet metal components. Friends, these tolerances are applicable to zinc iron alloy, zinc aluminum alloy, aluminum zinc alloy and aluminum silicon alloy, hot dip coated flat products made of low carbon and high strength steel for cold forming. So it is basically used for cold forming cold roll sheet, and this is not applicable to hot roll sheet and strips without coating. So this is basically applicable to only hot dip cold roll sheet only. If it is hot rolled and it is applicable, if it is with the coat without coating, then also it is not applicable. Also uncoated or electrolytically coated coral sheets and strips, where also this is not applicable. Friends, if you have not subscribed to Engineering Fundu, please subscribe to Engineering Fundu. We will keep on uploading few good technical videos. Friends, then tolerances for steel grades with specified minimum yield strength or specified minimum proof strength less than 260 MPa. Friends, here you can see there is a nominal thickness range. If it is greater than 0.2 mm, all dimensions are in millimeters. So if it is greater than 0.2 mm and less than 0.4 mm, then the normal tolerances will be plus or minus 0.04. Sometimes special tolerances for nominal width will be plus or minus 0.03. And if it is width is greater than 1200 and less than 1500 mm, then applicable tolerance will be plus or minus 0.05 mm. So there are different ranges over the thicknesses and different ranges over the width, where different range of tolerances are given in this table, and these are the normal standard tolerances applicable for the sheet size. Then tolerances on the width of the sheet and wide strip of width greater than or equal to 600 mm. So nominal width if greater than 600 mm and less than 1200 mm, nominal tolerance will be 0 to plus 5, and special tolerances will be 0 to plus 2. Similarly, if width is more than 1200 mm and less than or equal to 1500 mm, the normal tolerances will be 0 to 6 mm and special tolerances will be 0 to 2 mm. Then for width greater than 1800 mm, normal tolerances will be 0 to plus 8, and then special tolerances will be 0 to plus 3 mm. Friends, then similarly for tolerances for the length, if the nominal length is less than 2000 mm, then the normal tolerances will be plus 0 to 6 mm and special tolerances will be 0 to 3 mm. Similarly, there is a range for greater than 2000 mm and less than or equal to 8000 mm, and for greater than 8000 mm length, there should be some agreement between the manufacturer and the supplier. Similarly, there will be a tolerances for the flatness for the steel grade with specified minimum yield strength. So for tolerances class, for normal tolerances, for nominal width of less than or equal to 1200 mm, the tolerance will be 10. So maximum wave height for nominal thickness T, if the thickness T is less than 0.7, the maximum wave height will be 10. Similarly, for thickness 0.7 to 1.6 mm, there will be a 8. So these are the normal tolerances for flatnesses for the different ranges of width and wave height for nominal thickness range. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thank you very much and happy learning.